keep exploring, but whenever you're ready, we just gotta go through the tunnel that we came here in. You know, that tunnel?
So it finally happened. Someone killed my son.
Your son?
Yep, the kid up the... Oh, sure.
Oh, you're back. Hey, yeah, my leg's still very broken.
You looking for a new sidekick?
Hey, fuck you! I'm still pissed! And you!
Hey, I hope you had a good time in the slums. Come visit any time.
Just don't talk to me.
Cold, hard drugs. These figures don't lie. However, things don't have to be this way. As challenged,
Just take a quick peek inside this Luglox's guts.
all drugs will be eradicated. And that's the Club Nugman promise. Thanks to our new Keep Careful, I got initiative, we managed to keep drugs like Fergles and Space Meth.
Huh, why is the door closed?
Who is it? You got my Munch Dash delivery?
What? No, it's us.
Oh, shit. Really? Good job. Oh, hold on.
Is that Gene? Okay, get ready. I want you to stab me right into his fat little belly.
Okay. It's been a long time since I've been with anyone, and I really want someone. Okay, that's it.
What the hell, Gene?
He installed new locks because he assumed you'd get killed. He keeps saying it's his house now.
What? No. I just took the liberty of upgrading your security. Did you really kill Nine Torg, though?
Yeah, we actually did.
Well. Didn't think you had it in you. I'm really blown away. I'll be honest with you. I expected you to die.
Oh, thank you.
So, what did it feel like, killing Nine Torg?
Look, I gotta be honest, it felt good. It felt great. I mean...
Hey, Gene, lift up that shirt and expose your soft little belly for me. I'm coming in hot.
Yeesh. Forgot how psycho he was. Why don't you just, hold on to him for now?
Oh, sure, yeah, we'll keep him far away from you.
Yeah, thanks. Now, go turn in your bounty at the Bounty 5000. I got it all set up for you.
No, seriously, let me stab him.
So, what, you're some sort of bounty hunter now? What are you gonna save humanity? You only kill the bad guys, not the good ones.
Yeah, pretty cool, right? Are you proud of your sibling here?
Well, there you go. You're a real bounty hunter now.
Huh, would you look at that? I guess we're really doing it.
Yeah, I didn't expect you to get your footing so quick. I don't even have any leads on any G3 bounties. You're, serious about going after them, huh?
You bet. We'll take them all down, including Garmantuous.
Well, you're welcome to try, and if you do, you might want to go to the pawn shop and buy back the Dodge unit I pawned off. Forgot to tell you about it. Go scrounge up some pesos and buy that, or whatever else tickles your fancy. I'll have some G3 bounties ready for you by the time you get back.
Sure, sounds good. Thanks, Gene. Just maybe next time don't assume we're just gonna die.
Right. Got it.
Here's Tammy and the T-Rex. Only on Human TV.
You're really gonna need that Dodge unit from the pawn shop. The suit's not really complete without it. Look,
What, while you were off murdering a gang lord in the slums? How is it down there? Any cool shops, or is it just sort of depressing? Everyone up here just makes the slums sound really depressing. I'm probably just gonna not go down there, to be honest. But it is pretty crazy you killed a gang lord. And she was a woman, though. Not very feminist of you to kill a woman in power.
okay, fine. You don't want to go to the pawn shop? Well, I'm not doing any more research on the G3 until you do.
Gene said you might have the old Dodge unit that goes with this bounty suit.
Oh, yeah, we got that. Why? You want it? I want it too, so it'll cost you.
Yeah, no, we know how buying stuff works.
Jor, be a doll and tell the customer to stop climbing on our shelf.
No, I think it's cool they're doing that. I think it kicks serious ass. You having fun up there, dipwad, hopping around on our shelves? Don't give a shit if you make a mess in here, but I'm supposed to tell you to cut it out.
Hey, whoa, easy there, Toncho. We gotta buy the Dodge unit first.
May it fill your days with wonder. All right, there you go. One Dodge unit. Have a nice life.
All right, we got it. Let's try this bad boy out and then head back to Gene.
Oh, God, I can't believe I'm starting a conversation with Jorb, but, how's school, Jorb?
Ain't none of your business, dipshit.
A perfect fit for a little shit. A perfect fit for a little shit. Come back soon.
Okay, great. You got the Dodge unit. So how about it? Think you're ready for the big leagues, kid?
What do you mean?
The big league! The G3 cartel! That's the next step, taking down their head officers.
Okay, you're positive that we're ready for that?
Yeah, whatever. Might as well try. But they won't be pushovers like Nine Torg, so, well, to be honest, I don't care if you live or die. You know that. You know my whole deal. But, hey, it's your funeral. So go check out the Bounty 5000 whenever you're ready. Got 2 G3 leads for you right now. Krubus and Douglas. You can pick which one you want to let kill you first.
Guy, break it up! What the hell's going on here? Silly! You know...
Zephyr Paradise. Gorgeous, huh?
Welcome to Zephyr Paradise!
Oh shit! A G3 Grenton. Okay, now the cartel knows we're here.
Whoa, rude! Never mind!
Ow, this hurts me too, you know! Whew. Wow, they only brought me here a couple of times. Looks like they haven't ruined this part of the jungle yet. Listen, if part of you is feeling bad about killing these little mites, don't. Leading scientists looked into it, and they have no feelings. They're just like, I don't know. What do you have on your planet? Like fish? Did that translate right? Translator micro. Kill you, you fucking mite! God damn it, fucking burns! Oh, these things. Okay, do you know what fan plants are? You shoot the little bud, and then the thing does the thing it does, and you know what? You'll okay, yeah, you figured it out. I can't hear you. I'm heading into a tunnel. No, I'm just kidding. Just some cell phone humor, just to lighten the mood, you know? Oh, a Fergal den. Oh, man, you actually have a lot in common with these guys. You know, aside from all the hair, you're both being sold as drugs for aliens to get a high off of, you know? You guys are, it's like you're almost related in a way, you know, if you think about it. Whew, jeez. I didn't want to embarrass them back there, but that tunnel reeks of Fergal shit.
I'm gonna give you a shapeless...
Oh shit, okay, G3 are walking in. You ready to fight? You need a pep talk? Soon. Holy fucking shit. Nobody's gonna miss you. Well, hey, good work. We made a great team, huh? I didn't want to admit it at first, but fine. You got me. We're good together here. This is great.
stay back! Oh, sorry. I thought you were a G3. They enslaved our whole village. I don't know what to do.
I think we can help.
Really? Thank you! It sucks so much watching everyone you know getting enslaved.
Got some on me! Hey, I got an idea. Try launching that Merc with the fan plant. Oh, look at him go!
Eat my bullets, Madam Curie! Yeah.
Okay, shit, that village is swarming with cartel guys. How do you want to deal with this?
I can't believe the Moplets live in this crappy village. Their lives must suck. Yeah.
Why are you even interfering? Just leave it alone. The Moplets like being our slaves.
Thank you.
This Moplet village is under G3 jurisdiction. Get out of here.
Okay, geez, all right, more combat. All right, let's see what we got.
Like stabbing mice in a barrel. Ow. One less for the cartel.
Grow up and leave us alone. Not bad, bounty hunter.
Thank you all for saving us. Are they all gone?
Huh? Did we just rescue some guys? Hey, listen, guys, we got you. You're free now. Go be free.
Hi there. Did you save us from the G3?
Yeah, I guess so. You know, do we get like a reward?
We don't have much. Maybe you should hit up our leader?
Welcome, welcome. We are Moplets, native to this planet. Our tribe is forever in your debt. Our leader would like to speak with you.
Oh, okay, sure.
Hello there, Savior. My people were enslaved by the G3 and forced to desecrate the land mining for Fergles. You may have freed this small tribe, but our brethren underground are still being worked to death by Krubis.
Krubis. You know, we're actually looking for him to kill.
What's this? You aim to take down Krubis of the G3? You are truly a hero to moplets everywhere.
Yeah, sure. Where is he? We'll get rid of him for you.
That's difficult to answer. His work, though evil, keeps him very busy. He oversees many different mines across Zephyr, and it's impossible to predict where he may be on any given day.
My liege, what about the man in the mansion?
Of course, a brilliant plan. My advisor is right. There's a man nearby who knows Krubis and has access to a warp device. We may be able to use him. He lives in a mansion across the river. If you could get your hands on his warp device, that could be very useful.
Okay, sure. A guy in a mansion. That's the plan?
Yes, he would appear to be our best chance. Godspeed, Savior.
Why were you guys all imprisoned?
The G3 are a cruel bunch. They did tests on us to see if we could trigger psychedelic reactions like a drug. But when we proved useless in that regard, they put us to work mining Fergles instead.
Man, good God, you know, you just can't win. You're either a drug or you're a slave, I guess.
Yes, and those poor Fergles, so helpless. They're making us destroy their lives, their habitats. It's so gruesome. Basically, our lives are super fucked. It's not good. But you've freed us. Everything changes now.
Hey, thanks for your help.
Very well.
Look at... Hey, somebody warped in over here. I bet we can cross now.
You're the one who fucked up the coordinates. How are we gonna get this thing out of the river? I fucked them up. I just typed in what you told me to type in. Yeah, you typed it in wrong, dickhead. Now we're flooding. Oh, sure. It's always my fault. You know what? I'm asking for a transfer when we get back. Oh, wouldn't that be nice? Go ahead. I can't wait. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. No, fuck you. No, fuck you. Fuck you. No, fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. No, fuck you. Fuck you. No, fuck you. Fuck you. Hey, fuck you. Yeah, fuck you.
That was some good old-fashioned conflict mediation. More G3!
Whoa! I'm not G3! I quit! I'm a deserter! I was just flying around here trying to make new friends!
Oh, that's cool. But, you know what, listen, we're busy.
Oh, don't worry! I won't be too much of a bother!
It's nice out today, I'd say. Sometimes there's storms that just destroy everything and I have to rebuild my shack.
Hey, look, you're on a catapult! I bet you can use that to launch stuff! Will you do it?
I want to see! That would be so cool! I love cool! Stop!
Shit, this guy won't stop.
What was I saying again? Did you know that I...
Whoa! Nice try, but I'm proud for you!
I deserve it, obviously, and there's a death warrant out for my arrest, and I'm fine with it! I'm fine with it because I came here with the choices I made today! I started to take care of the little Fergles around my...
You really want to shoot me, huh?
And you know, my mother...
See? Wowza, look at you go! You're really flying! You're trying to copy me! I bet you want to be just like me because I'm so... Oh, well, tough luck! I'm the only me! Don't try to be me! Hey, fuck you!
Does he ever shut up?
Yeah, keep trying to shoot me! This is fun!
The only doesn't say that about me. You're not good. Sorry to her. You have no idea what it's like to have a mother. What the jungle seems this. I wanted to grab the purple trees and create amazing clothing for the commoners here in Zephyr. But no! No one believes in me. No one gave me the core gloss to say. Desperation! Kind of way to feel something. Anything. I've been my life. I'm alone here, to be honest, and just in a valley covered with sludge. Fergles. But at least the Fergles don't judge me. Not like my mother! Oh! That is my mother! You're sipping on mine! What was I saying again? I didn't want to get into it! She drove my father away when you almost got me, look at this! Oh, look! I dodged a bullet! You must feel very insecure about that! Do you know how embarrassing it is to lose your father in sixplets? I got teased relentlessly in high school. But no, I still go to my mother's lily pad, and I still heal her, take care of her when she's sad. Because I'm a good boy regardless of what she thinks. Hubba, hubba. Quite the landing. That's not your first time on a zip line, is it? Oh, I didn't think so. Because you seem so experienced!
We gotta get through here fast.
I didn't want to get started on my choices I've made, on my relationships I've had. Oh, Tiffany, oh, I had a real one. She was so pure. She could sing like an angel. Oh, and then I fucked it up. I lied to her about what I did. She said, "Whoa, taking a little swim? Don't forget your swim trunks." Just kidding. I know you tripped and fell in because you're clumsy. So funny.
We gotta get through here fast.
Oh, whoops. I just realized I'm late for my big date. I'm gonna go fuck another really hot Briton. Wish me luck. It was so nice meeting you.
Finally! Thank God! Oh, how much more I could have taken?
Oh, hey, you made it. You got my fresh Fergles?
What? Yeah, this is the guy we're looking for.
Huh, I don't see a warp device on you. Come on, is Krubus making you hoof it around on foot? Oh, that cheapskate bastard. Same old Krubus. I'm telling you, man. Here, I got an extra. Don't let anyone ever tell you Ranchi's not a generous fella, okay? There's an unused warp disk in there, too. You know, warp in whatever's on there. I don't care. It's free of charge. There's a river near here. You can probably cross with it. Oh, man, go nuts. Warpaholics.
Wow, thank you.
Hey, come here. Lean in close. Get close to me, man. I'm sure Krubus told you I'm here on Zephyr to break ground on a new Delarmo Land resort. Yeah, I'm that Ranchy Delarmo. CEO, Delarmo Industries. This one's gonna be even better than the one on Glashborg 12. Trust me, man. That guy's busy as shit, always hopping from site to site.
How much money does this guy have? And I'm not saying that because of this room. I'm thinking maybe a heist, later, after we, take down the G3 cartel. I don't know.
Hey, I want to talk to him about Delarmo Land. I'm sure you've been to Delarmo.
All right, okay, we got a warp device. That's gonna be helpful. Why don't we use it to cross this river so we can go talk to the Moplets and check in with them? We might be able to open that from the other side. Looks like they're working on fixing this portal. Hey, maybe we can use it later, Okay, let's use this warp device Ranchy gave us to cross the river, huh?
Hey there, it's me, Pseudo. I'm back. Looks like you're trying to use that new warp device you just got. You want me to help you out? Great work! Wow, wasn't that fun? Okay, see you later. I'm diving right back into Gene's old porn archives. Even AI can jack off.
Shit, nice work! We can use this base as a bridge. Come on, fucking move!
Hey, where you want me to fucking go, huh? You want I should just disappear all this fucking traffic? Hey!
Holy shit, where the fuck are we?
Hey, who gives a shit? I got places to be.
You wanna check in with the Moblet leader? Because, that's kind of what we're supposed to do right now.
Shithead! What's your fucking car?
How was the man in the mansion?
Ranchy? Yeah, that guy has serious problems, but he gave us this warp device.
By the gods, you've done it! You got the warp device.
This might actually work.
You continue to provide us with hope, Grand Savior. With this warp device, you can warp Krubus directly to you.
How fortuitous.
But alas, you'll need his coordinates and a blank warp disk to encode them onto. Oh well, no way you're getting those.
That stuff's in the mines. We could just go down there and get it right now.
Oh, right. Take this access code and head down to the mines. Everything you need is there.
Okay, perfect. Thank you. You guys figured out that whole plan for us. That really means a lot. It clears things up for us, Anyway, yep, we'll get it done. All right, let's use the passcode and get in.